talking about those Amtrak trains, of course, heading towards the north, towards Chicago, where they have a substantial amount of snow falling anywhere from the St. Louis metro area through parts of central Illinois. Some areas picking up more than a foot of snow. Around here, it's a mixed bag of everything as far as winter weather goes. Freezing rain, sleet, and snow. We've got the ice storm warning in effect now across parts of western Kentucky and northwest Tennessee. Those are the areas I am most concerned with a lot of ice. However, to the north, even into southeastern Illinois, you're under the ice storm warning, but I think that most of this is likely going to be sleet for you. And into the pink color there, that's the winter storm warning for the rest of southern Illinois and southeast Missouri. Everybody is getting in on winter weather today. More ice to the south, more snow and sleet to the north. Again, the most substantial or most significant winter weather that we have seen so far this season. It will start to clear out late tonight and into early Friday morning. Still a couple isolated snow showers first thing on Friday morning, then it gets on out of here, and it's just going to be a cold day on Friday. Whatever does fall today, it's here to stay for a couple of days. Waking up Saturday morning, actual temperatures back in the single digits. In fact, we have to wait until Sunday before temperatures climb back above freezing. 20 right now in Mount Vernon, 20 in Perryville. If you look there closely into the light in Mount Vernon, you can start to see maybe some snow mixing in with the sleet. Sparta showing an iced up camera, and of course in Carbondale, we've got the sleet that's been falling through the overnight hours, and Highway 51 there near SIU's campus is completely covered right now. Now to the north or to the south, we do have quite a bit of freezing rain. Again, that is going to be heaviest, say from about Mayfield towards Union City, Tennessee to Murray, Kentucky. Murray to Union City is where we do anticipate the highest amounts of ice. To the north, radar is trying to pick up and change this over to white and blue, indicating snow, but we know just from reports that a lot of this right now is still some sleet. That snow line just now cutting through Perry and Jefferson counties, that will also work its way to the south and east as we go throughout the morning hours. But very heavy snow just to our north and west, and we continue to nudge just a little bit everything to the south. So that means that some of the heaviest ice totals likely near the Kentucky-Tennessee line, and we've increased some of the snow totals across parts of southern Illinois and southeast Missouri. We'll pick this up 7 a.m. Again, freezing rain south of the Ohio River into western Kentucky, northwest Tennessee. A band of pretty heavy sleet at this point from Harrisburg to Cape to possibly over towards Marion. And then to the north of this, you'll see as we go through the morning hours, that snow line cuts into parts of southwest Illinois. So we will see that transition begin to occur across southern Illinois towards the mid-morning hour, especially closer to midday in places like Carbondale to Marion. We'll start seeing sleet turn over to snow. There's still some uncertainty on exactly where that's going to set up, but again, heavy freezing rain near the Kentucky-Tennessee line continuing through the afternoon hours, and then even by 4 p.m. we're still dealing with winter weather, but more snow starting to mix in across southern Illinois, more sleet still falling in Paducah, and Union City, Tennessee still seeing freezing rain. Everything starts to clear out of here pretty quickly this evening. You'll see another wave of energy moves through first thing Friday morning, so an isolated snow shower or two. We probably won't see any additional accumulation, but there you go. Temperatures back in the teens by tomorrow morning. Significant amounts of ice. Murray to Union City, Martin, Tennessee. This is going to be a major ice storm for some of these areas, okay? So we're talking about the possibility of some power outages, tree damage. This is going to be the biggest threat. Notice not as much ice to the north. Heavy sleet expected to mix in. Paducah over towards Cape, Vienna, say over towards Roseclare and Elizabethtown, possibly over towards Shawneetown as well. And as we've pushed everything a little farther to the south, that increases our snow totals to the north, 4 to 8 inches, say from Murfreesboro to Pinckneyville to Coyne to Mount Vernon. Now that's going to be a mixture of snow and sleet, and then snow amounts get lower and lower to the south and to the east. But once again, tree damage, power outage risk, pretty low in southern Illinois and southeast Missouri, but it is going to be a high risk today into western Kentucky and northwest Tennessee. So by the time it's all said and done, tonight and into tomorrow morning, 4 to 8 inches of a snow sleet mix, say from anywhere from Marion, Carbondale to Mount Vernon in the blue color here. South of that, you start running into more in the way of sleet hanging on a little longer, so the totals will get a little lower. And then a big time ice storm again near the Kentucky-Tennessee line. So just a lot to get to today. Make sure you've got that Storm Track 3 app, staying up to date with the latest forecast. Tomorrow afternoon, 27 will do it for a high temperature. A little more sunshine in here on Saturday, but a morning temperature of only 6 degrees. Afternoon high still below freezing. By Sunday, we're climbing back above freezing. We'll start to see a lot of melting towards the end of the weekend, and most of what falls will likely disappear by the middle of next week.
Still got a long way to go today, though.
Yeah, today, again, anywhere from this morning through the early part of the afternoon is when we expect the heaviest to occur.
All right, thanks for that, Nick. Still to come.